Ah, what a wonderful day. Today's Windows XP. I'm gonna go browse the internet. What the? Kaya OS? No. We're not doing this again, okay? Okay. Jeez, I don't want that. There's no way you can let me install Kaya OS. Okay. Or will I? Kaya, what are you doing here? I'm gonna make install my OS. You can never get Windows XP back. What the? What the heck's wrong with you, Caillou? You just made me get your stupid. Oh wait, hold on.
Yo, cat. Yo, cat. Yo.
You just made me get your stupid OS.
Tuesday, honey.
Yeah.
Let's open the internet.
Oh yeah.
You call it
I think I'm gonna search up YouTube.
Don't write on this.
What? Okay. YouTube. Does this work?
Oh, God. Comes over it too.
No, it doesn't actually work. Okay. I don't know. Are you kidding me? One. Oh, I can't believe I have to restart the whole computer again. Screw you, Caillou. Okay, here we go. I already know that. I already know that. Sheesh. No, Justin Bieber. Wallpaper? No, the opposite doesn't work. What's the colors? What's this color all of us? This. Yes, I got Windows XP back. Finally, I got Windows XP back. Yes, finally, no more stupid iOS. Yeah.